Hello subscribers.
Hello.
We're not on a boat. we're at home. Well, not at home. We're at our daughter's home. We are in Hampshire. We will be here for a little while into the new year. We just wanted to thank you guys for your support and for subscribing, and we wanted to wish you from us a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. There won't be videos up every week for the next couple of weeks. We're going to take a break. I think it's well deserved.
Yeah.
After travelling 2,760 something odd miles from Cyprus. That was our total trek.
Yeah.
So I know David was asking. But yes, thank you for your support. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, go down and push the button now and ding the bell. Thanks guys. We'll see you in the new year. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye.
Bye.